Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which are covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday we started discussing about control statements. Yes, we know what is the use of these control statements. Control statements enable control over the program. Basically, there are three types of control statements are there: selection, iteration, jump statements. We started with selection statements. In selection statements, we are having four: if else, if, and switch case. So yesterday we discussed about if else, if. So I already told you, understanding if else, if is, come on, very easy. If the condition is true, if block will be getting executed. Otherwise, else block will be getting executed. Whenever you are using if else if, first if condition will be checked. Otherwise, else if condition will be checked. Otherwise, else if, like that, any number of else if statements you can write. We already know that. So one more time I am saying this: if block will be executed only if the condition is true, else block will be getting executed only if the condition is false. Only for one time. Only for one time. If block will be executed only for one time, else block also will be getting executed only for one time. Yesterday we discussed about some methods also. I gave you some programs, and you already wrote all those lines of code in your notes, and I guess you have practiced them. Yes or no? So I already told you yesterday, understanding very easy, implementing little bit complicated. For example, I'm going to have a small method, void method one. Now here I'm going to take int x comma int y. Now my intention is, okay, let me just try to go to my main method. Okay, main method. Now inside my main method, I'll be creating an object for my class, new class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A, and I want to call my method one AOBJ dot method one, and 5 comma 10. 5 comma 10. Now please tell me X or Y, which one is biggest? Come on, give me the code. I want you to give me a logic to tell, like, if I execute my program, it should print that y is biggest. Tell me the code. Go ahead. If x is greater than y, system dot out dot println. Just let me try to go like x is biggest. Else system dot out dot println y is bigg, just like that. Now, if I execute my program, right click, run as Java application, of course, we are getting an output like this. Okay. Now, how to know whether my logic is right or wrong? In order to find out whether our logic is right or wrong, you change the input. For example, right now, I'm giving 50. You can change the parameters, but you should not change the logic. You should not change the logic. Even though we are changing the parameters, right now, if I execute my program, if I'm getting 50 is biggest, then my logic is correct. Are you understanding the point? Right click, run as Java application. Yes. Now my logic is correct. See, basically what I want to say is, whenever I'm asking you to write a logical programming, I will be able to give any input. I'll be giving you different inputs, but your logic should be same. You should not change the code. Are you understanding the point here? So that is what logical programming says. Now today we'll be trying to discuss about that logical programming. For example, For example, I'm going to give one more parameter in Z. Now, here I'm giving something like 70. Now, which one is biggest? 70. I want you to give me a logic. No, write it in your notes. Give me the logic to find out the biggest among these three. And please listen to me once. Listen, listen, listen. Once you completed your logic, listen. Once you completed writing your logic, change these parameters. Means here give 500. If you are getting the output correctly or not, check it. Here give y value as 1000. If you are giving your output right or wrong, check it. Like that, change the parameters, but don't change your logic. Then your logic is correct. Continue. Go ahead. Give me the logic. Write a program to find out the biggest among these three parameters. Give me a logic to find the biggest among these three parameters. Right, right, right. Oh, by the way, my mistake. Don't use logical operators. Yeah, don't use logical operators. Without using logical operators, write the code. Logical operators, logical and logical or logical not. Don't use logical operators. Feel free to discuss. I don't mind. Change the input and check. If you are giving like this, what will be your output? What will be printed? Hmm? Wait. No? X is greater than Y. Okay, I'm giving Y value as 6. X is greater than Y. X is greater than Y. What will be printed? Check that. Check that. Check that. Don't use logical operators. Once you completed your logic, please check with multiple parameters. Done? X is greater than Y. For example, X is greater than Y. X is greater than Y. Yes or no? I. What is the value for X? Y. X is greater than Y. In these parameters, what is the biggest number? What will be printed? According to your code, what will be printed? Condition is true. Condition is true? Yes or no? So you will be printing this one. Did you understand? Not correct. Check the logic. Check the logic with multiple parameters. Perfect. Good job. Yeah, fine. No, perfect. Good job. Perfect. Check that with multiple parameters. You will be able to understand. No, wrong. Check it one more time. Check it one more time. Please check your logic with multiple parameters. Multiple parameters. One time give X value as biggest. One time give Y value as biggest. One time give Z value as biggest. After giving those multiple parameters also, even still if you are getting your correct output, then your logic is correct. Come up. X is greater than Z. Okay. I'm going to give X value as 50. X value as 50. Is X greater than Z? I, did you understand? Check that. Check that. Check that. Fine. Someone, please take time. No worries. Check it clearly. Check it clearly. Then please pass the book, boys. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. Yeah. X is greater than Y, right? X is greater than Y. What will be your output? You will be getting X is greater. But which is greater? Check that clearly. Okay. X is greater than Y. Wait. Your logic is X is greater than Y. Okay. For example, I'm giving 5, 1, 50. If X is greater than Y, what will be your condition is true? What will be printed? But what is, did you understand? Check that. Check that. Perfect. Good job. All right. Time's up. Time's up. Okay. So online students, only 2 to 3 people messaged me. Not 2 to 3 people, 4 to 5 people. Karnakar, Pratap, Mayuri, Sudha. Only these guys have replied. Okay. Let me just try to show you this. For example, what I told you, I requested don't use logical operators. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. I told you not to use logical operators. Okay. If x is greater than z, here, else, now if I write like this, let me check. Let me check. Right click, run as Java application, 70 is biggest. Now I'm changing y value, 100 is biggest. Now I'm changing x value. As simple as this, right? See, simply what I'm using if else statement inside if else. Yeah, fine, no problem. Yesterday only I told you we can use like this. I don't know whether you remembered or not. And by the way, this is my idea of solving the problem. Okay. Why I'm saying this? Because when you're speaking about logical programming, there are different ways to achieve this. There are different ways, not only this way, a lot of other ways are also there. But this is what I am thinking. This is my idea. Am I clear with that? I did not use any logical operators. I'm just using only if else. Please check with this. Kindly please have this program in your notes. If you did not wrote this, kindly please have this in your notes and get ready for one more. Yeah, Prashant. Yes, yes. Yeah, Karnakar, using logical, it will be very easy. That is the reason I told you don't use logical operators. So one more time, I am saying this. When you're speaking about logical programming, first understand the problem. What is the problem? Then try to solve that problem by implementing the concepts which you already know. Understanding the problem is important. Then you need to implement it. Done? Okay. Okay. It's a very, very, very simple program. Please go ahead. Next program, next task. Go ahead. No restrictions. Understand the question and write the logic. You can use anything, no restrictions. WAP means write a program. Understand the question. Understand the question. First, understand the question. No need to write the question from next time onwards. Write the logic. No need to write the question. Write the logic. Please don't waste the time by writing the question. Feel free to discuss the question. No problem. You know what is the difference between a square and a rectangle? If anyone complete, please show me. Understand the question. Take the values of length and breadth of a rectangle from a parameterized method. Parameterized method means how many parameters you need to take? Two parameters. First parameter should be length. Second one should be breadth. Whether those parameters belong to a square or a rectangle. If those parameters belongs to a square, you should print it is a square. If those parameters belongs to rectangle, you should print it's a rectangle. That's it. Understand the question. Understand the question. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Amma. Perfect. Yes. That is good. Feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss. Find out. Find out. Simple logic. Please don't make it complicated. Very basic program this is. Yes. Very basic. Please sit down. Please sit down. Yes. Oh, no. Uh, Error. Instead of length, you need to write y like this. Why? Because x, right? You need to check x value. Are you getting the point here? You should not write like this. X equal to double equal to. Okay? Explain. Hmm. Hmm. Why you are making that much complicated? Can we write simply like this? This is correct. This is correct. But I'm saying why making complicated? Make it simple. Yeah, fine. 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 Sit down, please sit down. Syntax error. Check that. All right. Now, let me show you this. Okay, online students, I got your program like Alekia, Prashant, Shilpa, Murray, Sudha, Abdul. Okay, good. Now, let me show you this. Basically, okay, let me remove this. What I told you, take the length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to take length and this is breadth. BREDTH. Or else I'll do one thing. Let me just try to go like LNB, just like this. Okay. Now I'm giving 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Tell me, are these parameters for a square or a rectangle? How do you know? Both are not same. For a square, all sides are same, right? So simply if if length equal to breadth, system dot out dot println, it's a square. It's a square. Else, it's a rectangle. That's it. That's it. As simple as it is. Understand the question. Understand the question. Without understanding the question, you will not be able to write the logic. Please try to understand the question. Okay? All right. Next question. Okay, we'll do one thing. Before going to this next question, tell me one thing. Okay, I am removing this. Let me remove this one also. This is just like a normal method. Just a normal method. Okay. Int I equal to something like 1200. I want to get 10% in this 1200. Int x equal to, tell me how to get 10% in this 1200. Don't use any floating data types. Don't use any floating data types. I'm sorry, 1200 by, okay. What is 10% in this 1200? Tell me how. You tell me the code, I'll write the code. I by 100, I by 100 into I sure. Let me press system dot out dot println x, okay, semicolon. I'm just trying to print x only, okay? Right click, run as Java application 120. Are you getting the point here? Please respond. Okay. Read the question clearly. First read. First read. Take time. Read the question. Read the question. Read the question. Okay. Tell me, you need to take a parameterizer method. Yes or no? How many parameters? Come on. And that parameter is unit. unit. 1 unit costs how much? I'm sorry? Think about it. 1 unit costs 100 rupees. You need to take a parameterized method. You need to print the total cost for the user. Feel free to discuss, no problem. First, understand the question. You need to give 10% discount if the total cost is 1,000 or more than 1,000. 1,000 or more than 1,000. So check that. Check that. Feel free to discuss, understand the question, understand the question. If anyone completed, please show me. Please check the question clearly. You should print the total cost. Total cost. Check that clearly, please. Nice. No. Why? Explain. What is the second line? Last but second line. Read it. Where is that? Check that. Check that. Okay. Try to use parenthesis. You are writing, if you're writing like this, 100 will be gone. Right? Do you understand it? Please use parenthesis correctly. What happened, boys? Important mobile. Then sort it out. Sort it out. Sort it out. Discuss. Please discuss. Read the last point. Is it printed? You need to print the total cost. You need to print the total cost. Please check with that. Please check with that. 1 unit costs 100 rupees. 1 unit. You need to display that. You need to show that. 1 unit costs 100 rupees. Okay. Mm. Okay. Mm. Why? Why you are giving discount? Why you are giving discount? If A is greater than 1000, you need to write it inside that, right? Why you are giving discount before only? You want to perform it before only, right? Okay. This SYSO statement should be present either inside if or else. Why? Because first you are trying to print the total cost. Absolutely. That's it. That is good. That is good. That is good. Right. Please wait. Done? Please wait. Okay. Let me just try to check this. All right. Time up. Online students, Darshan, Murli, Karnakar, Sahil. Okay. Sudha. Okay. This is good. Okay. Nice. Pratap. Okay. Yeah. Karnakar. Okay. All right, guys. Now, please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Okay. Now, please check this. Guys, when I'm observing your programs, you are not taking the identifiers basing on the problem. Identifier means everyone is taking something like A, B, X, I, or else A, uh, G, something like that. Use proper identifier names. Use proper identifier names. For example, here, a shop will give discount of 10%, 1000. So basically, I'm going to take my method name as bill. Bill. Just a second. Let me just. Okay. Now, obviously, it should be a parameterized method. Int units. Use proper identifier names. Okay. Int units. Now, I'm going to calculate like what is here. The cost is 1 unit cost is 100 rupees, right? Okay. Let me just try to take int. Okay, bill, final COST, final cost equal to units into 100. If else, if final cost is greater than or equal to 1000, we need to give the discount. Wait for it. We'll do that. Else system.out.println your final bill, your final bill plus plus final cost. System.out.println shop more plus 1000 minus final cost to receive 10% discount. What happens if you're writing like this? Now, if I execute my program, let me just try to keep this in common. Okay, I'm going to call, okay, AOBJ dot bill, and I'm purchasing 6 units. I'll be getting my output like this. Your final bill is 600. Shop more 400 to receive 10% discount. I did not ask you to print this in the console, but you know you can do this. You need to think like that. Are you understanding exactly what I'm saying? Come on, guys. This is what happens whenever we are, for example, if you're ordering something in Swiggy or else Zomato, something like that, they'll be asking you shop more 100 rupees for free delivery, shop more 500 rupees for applying the coupon. Are you getting the idea here? Same logic, same logic. You need to think like that. Okay. Okay. Now let me just try to get back here. Final cost. If final cost is greater than or equal to 1000, then int discount discount equal to just let me try to copy paste. Okay. Now system.out.println your final bill plus final cost minus a discount. And here I just want to write one more small statement. System.out.println. Congratulations. You saved plus a discount. Or else you receive 10% discount. Anything. If I'm executing this program right now, okay, I'm passing something like 12 units. Right now, if I'm executing my program, final bill is 1080. Congratulations, you saved 120. As simple as this. I did not ask you to print this. You should think about it. Am I clear with that? Please respond. Come on. Kindly please have this. Who did not wrote the program? Kindly please have this. This is not a new code. You already know operators concept. We are just implementing the concepts which we already know. Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. All right. I guess it's complete for everyone. Okay. Now, next question is on the board. Ma, you come here. Write the code. Continue. Others continue. Use proper identifiers. Feel free to enhance the code. No problem. Others continue with your logic. You can use any operators, by the way. No restrictions. No restrictions. Feel free to use any operators. Come on, write your own logic. Read the question, understand the question. And online students, right now the code is actually given by one of our student. I'm not writing the code. You can use any operators, your wish. Absolutely no restrictions. If a student is getting 60 marks, what is his grade? Check correctly. If a student is getting 60 marks, what is his grade? Below 60, C grade. Below 60. If a student is getting 60 marks, then his grade should be B. Check that clearly. Check the question clearly, please. Yes. Okay. Is it completed? Done? We'll see. Please execute. What is the marks you have given? 85. 85 means student should be given getting A grade. Please give 50. Execute. Sort it out. One more time. Please check it one more time. Almost correct. Almost correct. Check it one more time, please. Please check it one more time. So the thing is, I did not told like 100. I mean, above 100, right? So you can add that. Feel free to add that. Yes. If marks is greater than or equal to 80, right? Less than or equal to? Yep. Less than or equal to 100. Yes. Now execute. Please try to give sit down boys. Okay. Fail. Why fail? Oh, 120. Fine, fine, fine. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. Fine. Uh, what if I give the marks as 45? Please give 45. Forty-five means degrade. You want to write else if? Please carry on. Modify the code, no problem. Please modify. Students. Okay, you added fine. Else. Yep. That is use valid input. Now please execute. Execute. Give the marks as 120. Perfect. Good job. Nice. Good job. So as simple as this, as simple as this, right? Online students, I believe you are observing the code here. Yeah, I got your programs, guys, like Sudha, Karnakar, Maheshwar. When I write grade 85, then my output is A. Yeah, the only thing is you need to sort that, buddy. Please sort it out. Please sort out the logic, right? Okay. If anyone did not complete this, I mean, if anyone did not write the code, feel free to execute. I mean, feel free to write it. Take time, no worries. Buddy, completed. Shall I show you the next question? Yes. Okay. Did you understand where you did a mistake? Equal to. Yes. Okay. Next question is on the board. Go ahead. Online students, please give me the code for this program. The code which you have given, I'll try to update that in my Eclipse. I'll copy paste your code in my Eclipse. Do you understand the question? You need to take a character and you should tell whether it is uppercase or lowercase, small letter or cap letter. What is the ASCII value for capital A? Small a? Think about it. Think about it. Knowing the concepts is one thing, implementing the concepts is another thing. Online students, up to now, no one gave me the output. Come on, give me the program. Give me the program. I already gave you a hint also. All right. I got two programs as of now from my online students. Let me just try to copy paste the first one. Okay. This is the first logic, which is given by Sudha. Let me just try to go with my main method. Now, inside my main method, new class A dot method one, I'm just trying to go with capital A. Let's see what happens. Uppercase. Okay. What if I give capital Z? Uppercase. What if I give A? Lowercase. Z. Lowercase. What if I give any other data like a special character? Invalid data. As simple as this. Okay, this is one program given by Sudha and Karunakar. You have given one more also. Let me just try to copy this. Let me make this as method 2. Now, this is actually given by Karnakar. Same, actually, absolutely same code. Same code. Absolutely same code. Yes, that is exactly the same. Any other interesting logic? Let me check. No, only two people go. Sudha and Karnakar. Only two people go. All right. Yeah, that is correct, buddy. Please check this. Feel free to write this. Done. Boys, completed. Can I? No, please write. Right. Take time. No worries. Understand the question. Implement the concepts. You already know them. You just need to implement. That's it. I'll be uploading some more questions in the Google Classroom today. Kindly please try to, along with these questions also. No need to write the questions. We'll upload all the questions. No worries. Just please concentrate on the logic. All right. I guess it's completed. Now, next question is on the board. Please. In the meantime, I will upload the questions in the Google Classroom. Understand the question. Just please don't quit. Don't quit. Start the code. Please don't quit. Start the code. Start the code. Take a parameterizer method. How many parameters? One. Please don't quit. Done? How many of you completed? Please raise. Only two, three, four, five. Completed? Okay, done. Online students, please respond to the chat. Very few people are responding. What about others? I don't know whether you are doing on the program or not. Feel free to discuss. I don't mind. All right, guys, the people who did not still did not do this, kindly please try to work this out. Please work this out. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. But did you understand how we need to use if else? Please respond. Yesterday class is something different. Yesterday you understand what is if else, but today you are trying to implement the concepts which you already know. This is what companies will be expecting, right? They will not ask you like write the syntax. No, they'll be giving a problem. You need to solve that problem basing upon the requirements, right? So yeah, I already uploaded all these questions in the Google Classroom. Kindly please check with that. And Monday we'll be discussing about switch case. When you're coming to if else, theoretical questions are very less. I mean, nothing is there actually. What happens in if else? If the condition is true, if block will be getting executed. Otherwise, else block will be getting executed. But switch case is something different. In switch case, it attracts a lot of theoretical questions are there in switch case, right? So Monday we'll be discussing about that switch case. Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope you enjoyed our today's sessions. Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Online students, I need your opinion here, guys. For this program, I'm not giving you, I mean, for this question, I'm not giving you the code. I want you to figure that out. Right? Okay. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our sessions. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat. Yeah, that is good. That is good. That is good. That is good. All right, guys. See you. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you for listening.